Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are not familiar what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box. I think it's $21 a month, it might be $22. And you get 5 full-size products, and usually the box is worth over $100. Usually it's like $150, almost $200. So I love Boxycharm. It is my favorite. I pay for it. This is not sponsored, of course. But yeah, if you guys want to see what is in my Boxycharm for the month of January, then let's just jump right in. Alright, so when you open it up, it comes with a card every month with the description of each product and how much each product is, which I appreciate so much. It has like a little explanation about it, how much it is, the brand, all of that. So the first thing that I see is this little guy, and this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Wow, I'm really excited for this. This retails for $38, so you're already getting your money's worth in the box, which is amazing. And obviously it's full size, so that's amazing. I've never tried this before, obviously, and I'm really intrigued to see how this works. I heard really good things about this, actually, so I'm so pumped to get this. So it's supposed to give you like a poreless look and also be kind of luminizing at the same time. So it's hard to tell on the back of my hand what it's going to look like on the face, but I am so pumped to try this. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this before and how it works. I do have dry skin, so let me know if you guys have dry skin and have tried this. Alright, moving on. This is popping out to me. This is a eyeshadow palette by Crown. And this is their Glam Metals palette. So the packaging looks like this, and ooh, so you get like a little guitar mirror right here, which is kind of useless in my opinion because I feel like I can't really see in it. So this is what the palette looks like. There are some pretty colors in here actually, like this gold is so pretty. It's like a rusty gold. I'm really excited to play with this. Let's see how the pigment is. Wow, they seem pretty pigmented. So we shall see. That's them swatched right there. They look pretty good. So I'm really excited to play with this. I have so many like little palettes like this, but they're so convenient because if I'm staying the night somewhere, I could just throw this in my purse and it's fine and I could create a whole look with it. So I'm excited to play with this. This retails for $25, which is not bad at all. So excited to try this. Alright, up next we have this little guy, and this is by the brand Pure, which I'm very familiar with, and this is a Bronze and Brighten palette. Oh, there's freaking tape on it. Really? Ooh, this looks really pretty. So there's a really nice size mirror in here. Now that's the kind of mirror I'm talking about, where you can actually see your whole face. So you have a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. This bronzer looks awfully shimmery, so I'm kind of nervous for that. But these two shades look really nice. Wow, they're really pigmented. Really pigmented. So, wow, that's intense. Oh my god, that looks like an eyeshadow. I would probably use this as an eyeshadow, to be honest, because this is like right down my alley. You have to be very, very careful when applying this as a blush because this is pigmented and it's very bright. It would be a very pretty summer color. And then let's check out this highlight here. Very pigmented as well. Also, I did put that primer on my hand, so I think that's why these are pulling so like pigmented, because they have something to stick to. But the highlight seems pretty. It doesn't seem like super blinding, but it's also very pretty. Sometimes I'm not in the mood for an extremely blinding highlight, so I'm excited to play with this one. I love getting products like this because blush and highlight are my thing. I love blush and highlight. It retails for $34, which is a pretty good price for 3 products. Alright, this next product in here I actually have already tried, and I actually really love this product. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. So it's supposed to work for everybody, and this is an amazing product. I already have it, like I said. I'm obsessed with this. It's a very, very good brow pencil. The brow pencil on one side, and then, let me just roll that down. And then you get a spoolie on the other side, and the spoolie is actually pretty good. So I love this product. I'm so excited it came in the box because I'm actually running low on mine. This is $24, which again is an amazing thing to get inside the Boxycharm. I'm really excited. this video is going by so fast. The last product in here is, let's see, a Galactic Matte Lip Paint, which I've never tried, but I've heard amazing things about. So I'm really excited. That's why I love Boxycharm, because there are so many brands that I've never tried yet. And you're paying $22 to try out a bunch of new products that are full size, which I think is perfect for the beauty lover. It's like Christmas every time I get this in the mail. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So the packaging is actually really pretty. It's like this matte bottle right here. Really like it. And the color is in Posh. It seems like a really pretty color. That's it right there. So pretty. I'm so excited to play with these. I've heard, again, great things about this. So I'm really excited to see how it wears and how the color looks when I'm wearing it. So I'm really excited. This box blew me away. So this product retails for $23. So let me add everything up and see how much the box is actually worth. So the retail of this box is $144. Need I say more? Like, you're literally paying not even a quarter of that. I think it's great. Honestly, I love Boxycharm so much. I love doing the unboxings for you guys. I love playing around with my products. I usually love everything that I get in Boxycharm. Like, there's only been a few times that I get something that I'm kind of like, about, you know? I'm pumped. Like, you get a primer, an eyebrow pencil, a lip product, face product, and eyeshadow. Like, you can create pretty much a whole look besides, obviously, foundation, concealer. But you guys get what I mean. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!